Linear read navigation refers to the way a user moves through the content of a Foleon doc in a linear, step-by-step fashion. In Foleon, there are several options for setting up linear read navigation in your doc, which can help guide your readers through the content and improve the overall reading experience. In this lesson, we will explore some of the different linear read navigation options available for you and how to use them to create a seamless reading experience for your audience. But first, to decide what navigation style is right for your next Foleon doc, let me ask you two questions. The first question is, do you want the reader to consume all provided content? If you create a Foleon doc that you want your audience to read from start to finish, like an ebook, case study, or newsletter, linear read navigation is your pick. How it works is, your reader lands on the first page and the navigation options guide them through the doc. The second question is, do you want your reader to find what they need quickly? With Foleon, you design the reading experience for your audience. You can direct them to the first page and let them navigate your content by reading through it. Alternatively, you can choose to start the reading experience at a different part of your Foleon doc. Non-linear read navigation tips won't be discussed in this lesson, but we encourage you to keep watching to get a comprehensive understanding of the navigation options available in Foleon. In case you answered yes to both of these questions, you're in a bit of a dilemma, and you might make the following common mistake: not helping your reader navigate through the content the way that you want. Navigation design is one of the most important factors affecting user experience and the ROI of your Foleon docs. Readers are used to websites which, by default, are non-linear. They can hop around the content, looking for specific things. When doc creators make linear content, an ebook is an example, you want to offer navigation options that match what you want the readers to do, based on how you intend them to consume it. User experience should be at the center of content creation. It's important to guide your reader into desired behavior in order to consume your content optimally. We see 4 ways to improve your reader's experience. You want your readers to feel in control while reading. You can help them by providing a clear route to navigate and consume your content successfully. They want to understand how your doc works, where they are, and how they move forward and backwards. What we mean by persuading is for your reader to have some fun while reading. Trigger their curiosity to navigate further and keep reading. Your Foleon doc visitors will ask themselves questions like, what can I expect of this doc? How long will reading this take me? Is this worth my time? What's in it for me? The features available for you to use in your Foleon doc level up the great reading experience. Let's dive in. In this example, we created a magazine and we want our readers to read it from start to finish. Let's start by making some changes. On the first page of the magazine, we placed a short index. It's not clickable and therefore only intended to inform the reader of what's coming and to encourage them to keep reading instead of helping them navigate the doc. The navigation bar is enabled by default and lets your audience navigate through pages of your Foleon doc. In this magazine, I'll have the navigation bar be visible to increase my reader's location awareness, but you can also hide it. This is handy when you create a single-page Foleon doc, for example. You can show your page overview in a grid or horizontally. Let's try the horizontal view. Now I want the page arrows to be visible and aligned in the middle. I love adding a sneak peek to make the readers curious to continue to the next page. While we're in the settings, I also want to enable the progress bar. This cool feature indicates how far into the doc the reader currently is. Also, you can modify the pages that you show in the navigation bar. For example, you can exclude the cover and the closing page. Be sure to name pages wisely so they reflect the content of the page. Let's upload a nice image to this page. And add a short description. Great, I think we're all done. Let's have a look at the preview. We see that the navigation bar shows the pages we've selected, and when I open it, the pages are shown horizontally, and each with an image. And on each page you see the page arrows, and by hovering over with the cursor, you get a sneak peek of what's coming on the next page. Clicking on the next page moves your progress bar. See? Lastly, each page of this magazine has a footer, where the reader can navigate to the next page or the previous page. That's it. I hope this lesson has given you a clear and actionable overview of how to leverage the different navigation features and help you create a seamless reading experience for your audience. So just a quick recap of what we discussed. Do you want your reader to read all the content in your Foleon doc? Then linear read navigation is the way to go. Set the navigation features accordingly to guide your reader, provide location awareness, and persuade them to keep reading. Good luck creating an engaged reader experience in your next linear read Foleon doc.